Hi and welcome back, my sacreds. Welcome to the Secrets of the Sacred. So today I'm back with another general reading. Today I am going to read about your person's current energies. What are they feeling towards you or your connection? What are their thoughts? What actions would they like to take? And what is basically happening with them? Okay. So the reading that I'm going to do today is for 72 hours. That is the next 72 hours, what you can really expect from your person, what their thoughts would be, what they would feel, or what they are thinking of you or not, or what are they up to, their current situations, basically everything. Okay, basically everything. So let's see. The next 72 hours for you. Now, this is a general reading, so it is not necessary that this would resonate with each and every one of you, but I hope it helps you, okay? And any kind of information that you would like to know about me is down in the description box below. You can go check that out. So, let us see what is your person's current energy for the next 72 hours towards you, towards your connection, whether you are in separation or whatever the case might be. We will find that out. Okay. Okay, so let us start. So we'll draw the basis first, that is what are their general current energies for the next 72. What is their general current energies for the next 72? What is their general current energies for next 72? Okay, so we have the Knight of Swords. So this person for the next 72 hours, this person is quite active, or they feel quite energetic. Now this can be towards you, this can be towards their own personal life, their career, their whatever they are doing. They are feeling quite energetic, quite action oriented, I would rather say, to really achieve. um, Basically they are very active. They will be very active the next 72 hours. Okay, so let us see what is their energies towards this connection for the next 72, for your connection for the next 72 hours. Okay, so we have the Six of Cups. So this person wants some kind of a reconciliation, or this person really thinks about you a lot, or at least for the next 72 this person will think about this connection a lot. If you guys are not in separation, this person would feel very nostalgic towards you, your memories, every moment that you guys share together, and this person will either try to reconcile with you if you guys are in separation or no contact or whatever the situation. But definitely this person will think about you a lot, like a lot. They will feel quite nostalgic about your situation, I can say that. Okay, so let us see what what actions would they take, or most probable to take, for my collective today. What actions will they take, or most they are most probable to take for my collective today? Okay, we have the Seven of Wands. So I don't really think that they will take any kind of an action, like really, because they are quite. I think they are resisting this feeling. They are resisting their emotions. They are resisting their that they are missing you, that they want to have this connection, or they want to reconcile with you, or they think about you. They think about you a lot. I am feeling that for the next 72. And this person, I don't think will take much of an action, because I think that they are very much closed off right now. They are very much in their headspace right now, or they are either busy in their own life, whatever they are doing in their career, in their job, whatever. So, or it can be that this person is resisting, basically they are resisting any kind of action towards you, towards your connection. Okay, um, let us see why. What is this person, or what is this person feeling towards you? I mean, thinking, sorry. This is what they are feeling. So what is this person thinking towards you for the next 72? You have the Page of Swords. So this person is either trying to gather information about you, or trying to keep an eye on you, keep tabs on you, on your social media, your mutual friends, or whatever the case is. This person is really into you for the next 72. Like, they are thinking about the good times, they are missing you, and they are also thinking about what is going on in your life, like what is your condition, what is your situation. They would really like to know that for the next 72 hours. Either they will keep tabs on you, they will maybe ask people or your mutual friends, or they will, stalk you, your social media, or whatever. However that is resonating, this person would like to really know what is up with you. Okay, okay. So what is the most probable outcome for the collective for the next 72? Most probable outcome for my collective for the next 72. Okay, the Fool. So we have the leap of faith here. I feel this person will try to take any kind of action for some of you. They are, even though they are resisting this action, they are resisting this change, they are resisting their emotions to come forward. But I feel that this person will decide at least. I won't say that they will take any action, but at least they will decide that they should take this leap of faith towards you. Like, they are not over the situation, they don't want to lose you, basically. So they will think about taking some kind of an action. At least they might plan to tell you something. I'm not saying that they will come forward and literally tell you that, but they will plan at least, or they will think how to reach you, or what to really say when they see you, or what to really expect from you. So yeah, I think in the future this person will take some kind of an action towards you, this connection or whatever it is. But right now they are resisting it, at least for the next 3 days. They are resisting this kind of any kind of action, or for the emotions to come forward. They are resisting it, but I think they will take this leap of faith pretty soon. But because they miss you a lot, they miss you, they are trying to keep tabs on you to check out like what you are up to, or what you are doing, or what is going on in your life, and all that stuff. So, and they are also they seem to be busy in their own world, in their own life, like maybe with their career, job, business, whatever it is that they are doing in their personal life. They are busy right now. Okay, so this was your short reading. So thank you so much. And I would also like to do one other thing, that is for your zodiacs. um, So I'll just tell you, if you are dealing with different kinds of signs, what it might be like, or what you might, most likely, what you can expect from such signs. If you don't understand, I'll just show you this. So I'll take each sign and I'll tell you what you can expect for the next 72 hours. Each sign, in the sense, I don't know what sign you are, like your zodiac sign, I don't know, but I'll just tell you that if you are dealing with this sign, you can expect this, or if you are dealing with some other sign, you can expect this, like that. So just remember what is your person's sign. That is what you would need here. So I hope you know that. It doesn't matter if you don't. So it can be sun sign, it can be moon sign, rising, Venus, whichever you resonate the most with, basically, you can. Okay, so let's see, if you are dealing with an Aries, what is the most probable outcome in the next 72 hours? If you are dealing with an Aries, Okay, we have the Ten of Swords. So I don't really feel that they are going to take any action. It doesn't mean an ending, but they are not going to take much action towards you in the next 72. They will miss you, they will think about you, but I don't feel that there is any action. They are really into their headspace, because this is someone who is really burdened by a lot of things, and it talks about endings, but I don't really feel that this is the ending. Okay, so if you're okay, come on. So if you're dealing with a Leo, what can you expect if you're dealing with a Leo? Oh, we have Justice. So things will be quite balanced with your person. You can really what you can really expect is, this is like a 50-50 chance. Your person is kind of balancing out situations in the next 72, whether they will make the move or they will not. So it's like a 50-50 kind of solution. For some of you, he might contact you, she might contact you. For the other half of you, it might not be the 72, but it might be in the future, near future. Okay, so what about my Sagittarius? Oh, we have kind of celebrations. So there is a chance that your person might would like to see you, contact you, or maybe indirectly contact you somehow within the next 72 hours. There is a possibility. Again, this is a general reading, mind you. Okay, so now come to the water signs. Pisces. Oh, wish fulfillment. So this is quite wait, I'll just remove this. So for my water signs, we have the Nine of Cups. Pisces. Yes, it might be that your wish will be fulfilled. For my Scorpio, wow, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, there is a chance that this person will contact you within the next 72. Okay, for my Cancers, Wheel of Fortune. So this is divine timing, maybe. There is a chance, but I would say this will happen in divine timing. You cannot really force it to happen. Okay, so this is my water signs. Now let's come to the air signs. So if you are dealing with Gemini, we have the King of Swords. So I don't think there will be much action. This is more of a thinking position. He or she might think of you a lot, feel nostalgic, miss you, but I don't think they will come forward within the next 72. They might act very cold, closed off, but they are thinking about you. They are in their headspace. So if you're dealing with a Libra, if the collective is dealing with a Libra, oh, Queen of Swords. So the same thing. I don't think there will be much action, but they will definitely think about you. They will miss you, or they would like to talk to you, but I don't think they will take any action. They are pretty closed off. The energy is pretty closed off. So if you are dealing with an Aquarius, oh, the Lovers. So yeah, there is a chance that this person might reach out, or might give you some kind of a hint, or it can be that this person is confused between two people. Like, there can be a chance that there is more than one person involved, because I also see this as some two people. So it might be two people, but it doesn't matter, that is for a very few number of people. I think there is a very positive chance that this person might come up within the next 72, if he doesn't in the near future, for sure. Okay, so this was my air signs. Now let us come to the last, that is the last but not the least, my earth signs. So if you're dealing with a Capricorn, ooh, Six of Cups. So there is a very, very positive chance that this person might reach out. If you're dealing with a Taurus, Page of Wands. So yeah, you can expect some kind of a message, or maybe indirectly, maybe directly, but you might expect some messages or some kind of a communication coming through. So if you're dealing with, what is left, Virgo, yeah, if you're dealing with a Virgo, Two of Pentacles. So they are not sure. It is kind of indecisive. It might be that they will try to reach out, but there is a 50-50 chance that they might or they might not. Or it can be that they are juggling this situation, this connection with something or some other connection. Okay. So that is it for today. I hope you liked this. I hope this helped you or this resonated. If this helped you, please let me know in the comments. Like the video, share it if you want to, um, and also subscribe before leaving. It will be of great help. I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next reading. Take care and all the best.